Hello everyone, welcome back to the Maker Mike channel. Most of us use Vaseline to moisturize dry skin and protect our hands, especially during cold weather. But what many people do not realize is that Vaseline can do something else that has nothing to do with skincare. This trick sounds strange at first, but it works better than expected. Stay with me and watch the full video, because the result may surprise you. Start with a clean glass bowl. Scoop a small amount of Vaseline into the bowl. You do not need much. Add a squeeze of regular white toothpaste right on top. Use a spoon or small stick and mix them together slowly. Keep stirring until the texture looks smooth and creamy. The Vaseline helps the paste spread evenly, and the toothpaste adds a light cleaning action. When the mixture looks uniform, set it on the table and prepare the first test. Pick up an old pair of eyeglasses. After months of daily use, the lenses often turn cloudy. Fingerprints, dust, and oily film build up over time, and regular wiping does not always remove it. Spread a thin layer across one lens. Cover the full surface. Do the same on the other lens. Spread it evenly on both sides, inside and outside. Avoid pressing too hard. Before we move on, share your city and state. It helps me make better projects for you. Let the mixture sit for about 5 minutes so it can loosen the dull film. While the glasses rest, move to the bathroom and look at the shower fixture. Many shower heads and metal parts develop yellow stains over time. Soap residue and mineral buildup cling to the surface, especially around small edges and grooves. Use a cloth or small brush and apply the same mixture to the stained areas. Spread it across the metal and make sure it reaches the corners. Leave it there for 5 minutes as well. Go back to the eyeglasses. Take a dry, clean cloth and begin wiping the lenses carefully. Use light pressure and slow strokes. Wipe the inside surface first, then wipe the outside. Keep wiping until all paste disappears. Fold the cloth and use a clean section so you do not smear dirt back onto the lens. Take your time here. Eyeglass lenses scratch easily, so gentle wiping gives the best result. When you wipe this Vaseline and toothpaste mixture onto eyeglass lenses, it helps break down the oily film that builds up from fingerprints and daily use. The Vaseline makes the paste spread smoothly and prevents harsh rubbing, while the toothpaste helps lift light dirt and dull residue. After wiping, rinse the lenses with clean water. Let the water run across both sides and wash away any remaining film. Dip a paper towel into clean water and start wiping the eyeglass lenses slowly. Move with light pressure and clean strokes, covering the entire surface instead of rubbing in one spot. Focus on the edges where residue often hides and builds up. Keep wiping until the lens feels smooth and no paste remains. If the paper towel becomes dirty, switch to a fresh section so you do not spread grime back onto the glass. Rinse the lenses with clean water and wash away any remaining residue before drying them. Hold the glasses up to the light and check the surface. The lens should look clearer and brighter. That cloudy layer should look reduced, and the glasses should feel cleaner when you put them on. Return to the shower fixture. The mixture has been sitting long enough. Pick up a soft toothbrush or a small cleaning brush. Scrub the metal surface gently. Work into the grooves and around the edges where stains collect. Use small strokes and keep the motion steady. Do not rush. You will see the yellow residue loosen and lift. When you apply this Vaseline and toothpaste mixture onto the stainless steel surface of a shower fixture, it helps loosen soap scum and light mineral stains that stick to the metal over time. The Vaseline keeps the mixture from drying out too fast and helps it spread into small grooves and corners. The toothpaste adds gentle cleaning power that lifts yellow buildup without scratching the surface. After scrubbing and rinsing, the metal often looks cleaner and smoother. After brushing, spray clean water over the fixture to rinse it. Let the water flush out the loosened dirt. Wipe the surface dry with a clean cloth. The metal should look cleaner and more polished, with less staining on the surface. Move to the final test, the car mirror. Car mirrors often turn dull from road dust, fingerprints, and light grime. Wiping with a dry cloth usually spreads the dirt instead of removing it. Apply a small amount of the mixture to the mirror surface using a soft cloth. Spread it thin and even. Cover the full mirror face without leaving thick spots. Wipe it gently right away. Keep wiping until the mirror looks clean. Spray water over the mirror to rinse off any leftover paste. Dry it with a clean cloth until the surface looks clear. When you step back and look at the reflection, the mirror should look sharper and less hazy. This simple Vaseline and toothpaste mixture works well for light cleaning and mild polishing. It helps remove oily film, dull residue, and surface stains on glass and metal. It also leaves a smoother shine after wiping. This is not a heavy-duty repair method, and it will not remove deep scratches or strong corrosion. But for quick cleaning jobs around the home, it gives useful results using items most people already have. If this experiment gave you a useful idea, press like so others can find it too. Subscribe for more practical, DIY cleaning and repair methods you can try at home. Leave a comment and share what household surface you want to test next.